Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to go and show you how to repair your extended storage on your PlayStation 5 if it's not working. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So sometimes your external storage may not be recognizable by your PlayStation 5. Now the easiest way to fix this is by simply turning off your PlayStation. So you can see my light is on the light bar here. I'm going to hold down the power button and then completely power this off. So you don't want it in rest mode, you want it completely turned off, so there shouldn't be any light or an orange light right here. So once this completes the shut off process, we're going to hold down the power button once again. So let's hold down the power button right here. I will hear one beep, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later, I will hear a second beep. And this will launch our PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. Now to operate this menu, we do need to plug in our controller with a USB cable. So let's connect this and then press the PlayStation button when we see the controller charge up, and it should show up teal now. And we can operate the menu with the D-pad. Now under here, let's go on down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. Then go on down to option number 2, rebuild database. And if you are having any kind of hard drive issues, this should go ahead and fix it for you. And it says it may take a few hours to complete this process, but in my experience it only takes about 5 minutes. So your PlayStation will restart, and then it'll give you an estimated amount of time of how long this is going to take. Also, you can go up to option number 1 here and clear system software cache if the first option doesn't work. And if you are using any kind of USB hubs or something like that, try switching to a different USB port on the back of the PlayStation 5 or directly connect to it itself. Now, the last thing I recommend is to go to a computer and open up File Explorer and locate your external hard drive under here. Now, for mine, it is located under the E drive just because I have so many different drives on my computer. So if I select this, then if I right click it and then go on down to Format and change the file system from NTFS to exFAT, and then go to Start Format right here and completely reformat your hard drive and then plug it back into your PlayStation 5 and see if it's recognized now. However, doing this will erase all your data on it, so just be aware if you have any games on there, it will be erased. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.